the train's not here.
Yeah, wiggle, pull the horn.
I don't know if they'll let you pull the whistle. Come on, girls, this way. This way, Kylie, 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 Kylie. Okay. He said, yes, you can pull the whistle.
Yep, right on down there. They're trying to
pull the whistle.
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
Thank you.
Got a cool action shot.
I know.
On Snow White running.
Good job, Kenzie. Woo! Okay, that's good. Good job. Okay, girls. Let's let somebody else have a turn.
We don't have any train tracks.
They're building Star Wars Land. All right, come on. Look at all the luggage.
He said we broke down because it has no train tracks.
Yeah, but look at
That was cute. That was cute.
I wish I could go and fix it.
I love whistle. Okay, I'm gonna go press the whistle again.
All right, come on, Kylie. Come on, Kylie. Just wait for your sister.
We sent it home. We sent it. It's in Chicago right now.
Why?
Yeah. Because we have a new land called the Star Wars Land being built.
Yeah, we saw that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at sister. She's playing over here.
I wanna play. I wanna play. I wanna
You want to take your break? Yeah.
What do you got there? Is that a train track? Where's your baby doll? She next to you? Okay.
Lay down.
Laying down.
Dad, this is right there, and that goes there.
So we're gonna play with toys at Disneyland instead of ride rides. No, that one goes behind it. There you go.
Well, I'm going to get to that next. When you set them the color
That's how you go.
Okay. Kylie, your sister's full of a million questions. Hey Kylie, quit asking 20 million questions. Come on, baby. We're gonna go. Okay, you color that then. You want to come back and play that?
Yeah, that's my full game.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's my game. It's my game.
Come on, princess. It's.
I want to draw. I just draw.
You want to color one?
Yeah, I want to.
You want one with a train on it?
Yeah,
Here's one with a train on it. Or do you want the lizard?
I know.
Mickey with a train?
Yeah, Mickey.
Okay.
Mickey
There you go.
And I'm here.
Oh, freedom, yeah. Oh, I'm like, no, I'm still here for another hour, Jay.
What's that sound?
It is Morse code.
Oh, I hate that.
Well, it is the speech of Walt Disney's opening day at Disneyland.
Why that?
Well, that's what the Morse code is. It's repeating his speech.
Nope. Not until later this summer.
Maybe next time you can open it.
Yes. Hopefully next time you come.
Yeah, and don't close the tiki room either.
Tiki room. That's one of my favorites.
Me too.
Is it, yeah?
And me too.
It's alright.
Good. You, that's your favorite. Good.
Yeah, about another 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah.
Take your time up.
Are you coloring him in the lines?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm staying in the line.
All right.
I had the train and
Cool.
Is Kevin going to be
Get the water tank.